everyone should own one in your collection because it's so iconic. And I love how I received this little rodeo charm on here. And now let's officially unbox this bag. Welcome back to today's video. I did it again. I know this is the second Louis Vuitton bag I have added in the last month. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely don't miss out on the classics. I unfortunately work on a street where I see a lot of fashionistas, so every day there's an inspiration. When I saw this bag in front of my eye twice and I go, wow, is this something new or is this something that I just missed out? Luckily, I didn't really miss out because this is like a re-roll of their classic redo. So after a brief searching, I was able to find this bag in my local Louis Vuitton store in Beverly Hills. So I was really happy that I was able to locate one within 2 days. So I picked this up and I'm like, this is like it. I don't think I will be adding anything Louis Vuitton going further unless there's something that I feel like I absolutely cannot miss out. This bag is one of those that I think everybody should have at least one, depending on what size you're used to. Everyone should own one in your collection because it's so iconic. And another hint I can give you is that it's inspired and designed for Audrey Hepburn when she was traveling, you know, into different movie sets and because of her lifestyle. This is definitely iconic. And if you're familiar with Louis Vuitton's Maison Heritage, this is definitely something that you probably already know what it is. And I will give you another hint. I previously, in a year or two, I have unboxed cousin version of this bag, I guess, and I think that was the release at the time. And honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of that size. Let me show you what the bag is first and then you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. And I love how I received this little rodeo charm on here. It's the mimicking of their leather tag, but it's very, very cool. And now let's officially unbox this bag. Alright, so this is the actual content. Look how tiny this is. And it is the vintage inspired mini Louis Vuitton. Actually, it's called the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. And this time around, they have kind of redesigned the silhouette. So now the bag looks narrower, but the width of it is as long. So it's perfect for your cell phones and, you know, small leather goods and whatever essentials that you decide to store in there. It's absolutely perfect. And also this time they have decided to feature the removable strap. It is stored in here. And I love how it is an adjustable option. Obviously the price for this bag has raised up, I don't know like how many times, but this tiny one right now is still kind of their entry price. It is at $1,760 and there are a few variations if you type up Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy on louisvuitton.com, and there's different seasonal designs. But to me, I still think whatever iconic should be in its original form, and obviously I was so happy to be able to find one in my local store. And I do think in general, whenever I was looking for things either special or something that is iconic or popular, my local store always turned out to be a great source to, you know, to source one from. So I'm just super happy. Originally, I just thought about ordering it online and not go through like texting the salesperson back and forth, but I wasn't able to find one online. So here is one in physical form. I'm so glad she was able to locate one for me, even though there were a few days delay. Let me tell you a little bit more about this bag. The retail price, like I mentioned, is $1,760 US. So after tax, it came out to like 1,800 something. And the name of this bag is Nano Speedy in the monogram print. The exterior is coated fabric, which is the monogram, you know, very famous coated canvas. The inside is just textile. It's not a microfiber material. It is just like a fabric. And then the trimming is the iconic Vacata leather. I believe this is like the same as my Louis Vuitton side trunk, which is the tanned version of the Vacata leather instead of the raw Vacata leather. The raw Vacata leather are still being utilized on a lot of other styles, but that one appears to be, you know, much lighter, almost white color, and then it's going to age into this kind of patina. But I just love how the pairing on this just looks so perfect. So you don't have to worry about getting uneven tans. And if you want to protect your handle, I would strongly recommend using a twilly or a little scarf to tie it up. You can also decorate it that way. And since the body of the bag is not a very structured bag, I mean, let's just say it's not structured. So it's literally just canvas, and it will probably sink in once you put things heavier that's in there. So I would recommend a little bag organizer, maybe the really thinly lined ones, Zumoni bag organizers, and they're really, really good. I just unboxed 4 of them. So with that, I really love how they gave you the customized option to order either the thinner lined, which I believe is 1.2 millimeter on the fabric, which is perfectly suitable for small bags like this, or they have the classic option, which is like 2.2 millimeter, I believe. I think it's just nice to have a liner because sometimes when we're on the go, we really forget to keep things clean and organized. And then if you're like me, who uses the same handbags in a row for a while, your the interior of your handbag will get, you know, used very, very quickly. So bag liner is definitely perfect to protect your designer leather bag. And I'm going to share my code with you guys so you can receive a discount, or you can receive a special pricing when you order them. Everything on their website is customized. You can choose the color of the fabric for your bag organizer, also the thickness, and then they ship from I believe South Korea, like next day air, FedEx. It's really, really quick. So I really like the quality of their stuff, and I think for a bag like this, you definitely need something to give it more support so the bag doesn't sink in too much. So nonetheless, this is my quick little unboxing I'd like to share with you guys today, and thank you for bearing with me, because you know right now I'm at the end of my 2nd pregnancy, and I'm going to expect my baby anytime between now and the next 3 weeks, because I'm 37 weeks. I feel so unreal saying this, but I'm just gonna, you know, enjoy the last boost of energy before welcoming another baby into our family. So yeah, I'm trying to get things sorted, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment below or send us an email. Thank you for joining me to unbox this little cutie today, and I look forward to chatting with you guys on the next one. Take care for now. Bye guys.